Hello everybody! So I have not made a hobby horse video in quite a while, but today is one of the first few days of fall. So I thought, what a better time to do a fall hobby horsing trail ride. So I'm going to be taking one of my newer horses, Hurricane, and I'm not sure what horse Sophia is going to bring, but we're going to tack up the horses and get straight out there. The leaves aren't even really orange yet, but it has nice cool air, and it'll be a really good day to go out on a hike. So I'll get the horses ready. So this is Hurricane. He is a hobby horse I made. He was made on a sewing machine, so he has neater stitches and things. His bridle needs repairs, but it's looking pretty good, all tacked up, and we can go check on Sophia. Hey, Sophia.
Hi.
So, which horse is this?
This is Willow. She's my new North Swedish. I got her for my birthday.
Wow, what a beautiful horse. Who made her?
You.
Yeah, I'm actually really proud of Willow. I think her eyes are really pretty.
Yeah, I love that.
I painted them. And Willow is mostly a Western horse. So today she's going to be riding with a neck rope. It is a beautiful day to ride. I feel like hobby horses, their proportions always look so weird on camera. This is Ivy, our puppy. Is your horse eating? It still looks really green. Doesn't quite look like fall yet.
Yeah.
But you do see some orange leaves on the ground.
How can I move? I feel like last year was like a lot faster.
Yeah. Behind our house we have this little area we like to use for a trail ride. Good boy, Hurricane. Good boy. So we just got word from our mom that we're going to visit the new house that we're moving to. This house has a barn and an arena, so it'll be fun to take the hobby horses there. I put a stick kind of wrong in his face, so it kind of bends weird. Oh well.
Good girl, Willow.
So I took off Hurricane's tack, and we're going to load him into the car, or the trailer. His head fell off. This is the house. Has a vineyard in the driveway. Yeah, with yummy grapes. So this is the arena at the house. It has Needs to be cleaned up and have sand added to it, but it's really large and nice. And this is the barn.
So these are our neighbor's horses, and
They're really friendly. They're just eating right now.
yeah, they're really pretty. I love them.
So even though the arena is kind of like messy right now, we're gonna do some exercises and maybe some dressage. I mean, I don't really like doing dressage very much, but to do a pony swap. I mean, they're not ponies, but yeah, that should be fun.
Swap.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, so Hurricane, he's a stallion, so he's kind of spunky and kind of tricky to manage, so we'll see how Sophia does with that.
Yeah.
And I guess Willow's just kind of lazy. She's kind of lazy, as you can see. So yeah, that shouldn't be too hard to manage. There is a dry creek thing, but I think it would make a good cross-country practice for Hurricane and for Willow. So yeah, we're gonna head over there, and yeah, that should be fun. We haven't really done much cross-country, so trail riding over to the creek area. We're gonna do a little bit of jumping on different horses. So how's Hurricane doing?
Good so far.
Yeah, good luck with that.
Yeah.
So my main concern is that Willow's definitely not a jumping horse. Have you even ever jumped Willow before?
Yeah, a couple times.
Yeah.
Kind of high.
So this is the creek that we're going to be, jumping over a bit. It's gonna be fun once it's filled with water.
Yeah.
It has a big tree, and over there is a barn that we're going to renovate, separate from the larger barn over there. Rough start. Try to get a faster pace going so that he's faster. Dang, Hurricane's being lazy this time, isn't he?
Come on. Okay, come on. Come on.
Oh, I almost
She's really lazy.
This sucks.
Wow, that was just like running.
It's hard to jump on the hill. Okay, I think you deserve to eat some grass. So we're actually gonna have to go a little sooner than we expected. So that's a bummer. But I mean, the horses are probably tired anyways. Or we're tired, but whatever. Okay, so yeah, we're going to put them back into the trailer. Okay, we're gonna put them in the trailer now. Sophia, open the trailer.
Oh, this trailer is hard to open, unlike some trailers.
Okay, good boy, Hurricane. Eat your grain. Okay, all done with that. So it is now like late at night. Well, not really that late, but Sophia's doing some hobby horse repairs. My hair is a mess because of all the wind out there today. Burp. It's gone now. But yeah, we had a super fun time. I'm excited for all of the real horse riding and hobby horse riding I'm going to be doing this autumn. Autumn is the best time of year for that. Oh my gosh. Comment down below what time of year is your favorite for, you know, hobby horsing, real horsing, or like just whatever fun activities you like to do.
Or just like whatever is your favorite.
Yeah. But yeah, if you have any video suggestions, I'd love to do some things with briars. I'd love to do real horse stuff. I really wanted to get more into like pet videos with my pets. Like I made one with my cockatiel. Not a lot of people watched it, probably because like they didn't subscribe for that kind of content. But if any of you guys are interested in that, check out that video. And just, yeah, if you have video ideas, comment them because I love to expand. Also, I do have another YouTube channel that I actually started before this one. It's a gaming channel for Star Stable and some horse riding tales and just horse games and things like that. If you want to subscribe to that, it's Crystal space Song Daughter, like in one word. I'll put it up on the screen. But yeah, if you like that, then make sure to subscribe to that channel. And I will see you all next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Sophia, do you have anything to say?
I had a lot of fun.
No, I just told you what to say. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
My God.